Yes, my freestyle nation, so here you have it. The frying of the fish is now completed. Over here I have some veg and some natural season. I'm about to get those prepped. Guys, I don't even think I need to tell you guys, but as you can see for yourself, nice and delicious. Yes, nice and colorful brown stew fish.
Kaboom! You know it's Warlord representing for Hurrain Freestyle Adventures. What am I say? Tell them fix them dentures. Kaboom!
Freestyle Nation, welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back. Hope you're having an amazing day. Today we're back in the kitchen and it's all about some brown stew fish, the Hurrain Freestyle way. But before we go any further, guys, remember to just like, share and comment. If you haven't yet subscribers yet, just hit that subscription button, hit the notification bell, select all, so each time your boy upload a video you get notified. Now it's time to cook. Let's go in the kitchen, freestyle, you know the vibes. Yes, my freestyle nation, so right here I have some fish, guys, and my fish is already seasoned. And guys, as you know, guys, to season the fish you need some all-purpose season, you need some fish season, and you need some black pepper and a small amount of salt. So the fish is already seasoned and it's now time for me to go ahead and start the frying of the fish. Yes, freestyle, so the oil is now hot and it's now time for me to start the frying of the fish. Get the snap of them frying, you know what I mean? Meantime, the fish are coming along nice and lovely. At the same time, I don't want to fry them too dry, so I'm going to go ahead and take them out. So just stay tuned, guys. Remember, guys, to like, share and comment. If you haven't yet subscribed yet, hit the subscription button and help your boy to grow. It's a new channel and I appreciate all the support I can get. Freestyle, you know the vibe. Now freestyle, it's time to go ahead and take out the first batch of fish. As I said before, guys, you don't want to fry them too dry, you know what I mean? And I must tell you, guys, you can smell the spices well soaked in the fish as they fry. So here you have it. Nice and lovely, guys, nice and colorful. You already know the vibes. Yes, my freestyle nation, so here you have it. The frying of the fish is now completed. Over here I have some veg and some natural season. I'm about to get those prepped and then we're gonna get the brown stew on the way. So just stay tuned for that freestyle, you know the vibes. So my freestyle nation, in the meantime, I will go ahead and make my dumplings. And as you should know, guys, if you've been watching my channel, guys, I make the prettiest dumplings ever. I'm going to show you right now. Nice, round and pretty. Put them in the pot. Now freestyle, remember, we are doing brown stew fish. So right here, guys, I have my natural season and my vegetable already prepped. And right here, guys, I have onion, scallion, thyme, scotch bonnet, pepper, sweet pepper, I have carrot, I have tomato, you know what I mean? And my spices goes as follows, guys, as you can see. I have allspice, all-purpose season, Old Bay season, fish season, and a little bit of black pepper. Now it's time for me to go ahead and we're gonna stew down the fish with some nice gravy. So just stick and stay for that. Let's go to the stove. Freestyle, right here is my pot and the oil is already hot. I will now go ahead and add my natural season to the pot. Now I'm going to allow my season to saute, guys, because you want to get the full flavor. You want to get the full flavor of your natural season. So I'm going to allow my season to saute for probably like about 3 to 4 minutes. Then I'm going to season it up with the spices. Then we're going to add the fish. I just stick and stay for that, guys. You know what, freestyle, as I always said in my video, guys, we cook with love, and love is colorful, so the pot have to colorful. So in the meantime, guys, just hit the subscription button, just hit the like button, just hit the share button, and help your boy to grow. I really appreciate it, guys. You already know Art of Love, Love and Love Alone, freestyle. Freestyle. In the meantime, we're sauteing down our season. We have the pot over here with some yam, some cassava, sweet potato, and some dumpling. And the season them over here, so I go and saute down in the meantime. So you know it's a whole vibes going on freestyle. So just stick and stay. Soon come back. So I will now go ahead and add my spices. First and foremost, I will go ahead and add some Old Bay season. Sprinkle a small amount of Old Bay season. You don't want to put too much. Then after putting the Old Bay season freestyle, I'm going to go ahead and enter some fish season. I'm using the Maggi fish season. Sprinkle some Maggi fish season. You know what, freestyle, we love when the food have flavor, you know what I mean? Now I'm going to go ahead, guys, and enter some pimento berries. A couple grain of pimento berries. You know the flavor of the pimento always stand out. Then I will go ahead and add some all-purpose season. After adding my spices, of course, freestyle, I'm going to go ahead and stir everything together. Yes, so by then my season is natural season now fully sauteed, as I don't want to have them too soft. I will now go ahead and add some water to the pot. Add some water, and I'm going to stir again. Then after adding the water, freestyle, I will go ahead and add some ketchup. I'm going to add some ketchup. After adding my ketchup, I will go ahead and add some Grace fish and meat sauce. Very delicious, guys. We're gonna add it, and after which you want to stir everything together. I'm now going to cover the pot, and I'm going to allow this to cook down. Then I'm going to add the fish. Stay tuned, freestyle. Freestyle, here you have it. My gravy is looking nice and colorful, nice and delicious. I will now go ahead and place the fish in the pot. And as for now, guys, I'm just gonna put 3 fish in the pot. 3 fish in the pot. Then after you put your fish in the pot, guys, you want to get the gravy and you want to put it on top like that. Guys, I don't even think I need to tell you guys, but as you can see for yourself, nice and delicious. Yes, nice and colorful brown stew fish, yam and banana, cassava, dumpling. It doesn't get any better than this. Real freestyle cooking, the real yard man cooking. So just stick and stay, guys. I'm gonna cover the pot and I'm gonna allow my brown stew fish to simmer down for probably like about the next 2 minutes. Then we should be completed. In the meantime, guys, just hit the subscription button, hit the like button, hit the share button, and join the freestyle movement. You know the vibes. Freestyle nation, you know the vibes. Our brown stew fish is now completed, guys, and I must say, guys, this meal is so delicious, as you can see for yourself. The smell is to die for, the taste is to die for. But guess what, I'm gonna turn the stove off and I'm gonna share out this delicious dish, guys, and we're gonna just have a feast. Just stick and stay, guys, soon come back. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Just keep on supporting the movement. You know the vibes. I appreciate each and every one of you. And to all my new subscribers, welcome aboard. Don't be a stranger, guys. I want to see you in the comment section. So just stay tuned, freestyle, soon come back. You know the vibes. Freestyle nation. My Freestyle Nation, here you have it. Brown stew fish, yam, dumpling, sweet potato, cassava with 2 slices of avocado. Guys, it doesn't get any better than this. It's a lot of food, guys, but trust me, I am extremely hungry and this meal is extremely delicious. So right now I'm about to enjoy this wonderful meal. So until next time, Freestyle, catch you in the next one. You know the vibes. Remember, like, share and comment. If you haven't hit subscribers yet, hit that subscription button and join the movement. Freestyle. Like, share and comment. If you haven't hit subscribers yet, the subscription button, join the movement. Freestyle.